The motto of the week is a Dinky Toy, a Super Toy, and the tank transporter is called a Thormycraft Mighty Antor tank transporter, and that is number 660. And the tank on the back is a Centurion tank, number 651. This tank is heavy. It's die-cast, of course. Turret can move. Now the rubber treads on this, some of it's missing because it's dry rotted, missing, but there are replacement tank treads that I can get for this. And you can see the bottom is, well, it's a little bit rusty. And otherwise it's in pretty good shape. It's played with. And the tank transporter itself is really good. I believe these will fold down. Yeah, these treads for the tank to get on the trailer. And this tank transporter is in relatively good shape also. It's been played with, no doubt, and there's the underside of that. This length of this tank transporter is over a foot long, and when you put this heavy die-cast tank on it, it makes quite a heavy toy, but it rolls good, and it has a lot of play yet in it. So this Super Toy by Dinky Toys was made between the years of 1954 and 1970. So they had a long run, and these two, the truck and the tank, both came together as a unit when you bought these. So this is the motto of the week: a tank transporter truck and trailer with the Centurion tank on the trailer itself. Thanks so much for viewing.